Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hard reset your Samsung Galaxy M32 Prime Edition mobile. As you can see, this is my Samsung Galaxy M32 Prime Edition. So click settings, scroll down, click general management, scroll down again, and here you will see reset option. So click reset. Here you will see three options: reset all settings, reset network settings, and reset accessibility settings. And bottom of that you can see that factory data reset. If you want to factory data reset, just click factory data reset, and you will see that all data will be erased from your phone, including your Google account, system and app data, settings, downloads, dead app, music, picture, all other user data, service provider apps and content. And you will see the linked Google account also, and also you will see the selected apps that will be uninstalled by hard reset. Then on the bottom side you will see reset option, so click reset, then draw your pattern, and you will see this option, factory data reset. Just click delete all, and shutting down message will be shown like this. So it may take some time. So in this way you can easily hard reset your Samsung Galaxy M32. So hope you like this video. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.